Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I like a lot of things about this, so I really would be unwise to change too many things, but I did just change another keyhole swipe into something that I really liked, so I think what I'm going to do is give myself permission, as long as my paint will come out. This is the black enamel. Whoa, this is the black enamel. And I like those cells right there, so I don't really want to do a whole lot. And nothing's open. Of course I went just inside and, please open. Please, without spewing all over everything. Give me a moment. There we go. Got it. And I think I'm going to grab, since I had a moment to think about this, a much shorter. I'm going to even that up too. Oh, come on. Really? It's just got to be that way? Does it? I don't think so. Let's do this in between. And see how that works. I made myself a tool yesterday, and I guess I'm going to use it today. It's just a little piece of acetate taped with some clear duct tape to a skewer. And I guess I'm going to have to do the same thing on the other end. And I hope this gets more interesting pretty quick. I think it might get more interesting if I use some other colors. But it's still probably should have been more of a swipe. Still, I gotta play with my little tool to find out. Let's go from the side the enamel is on. I'm just gonna move that up and down. I think I'm gonna do that on both sides actually. And it'll sell if it wants to. I think I'm going to move it up and down and across. It's basically a paintbrush. And there were some really nice cells there, so I really don't want to do it so much on this end. Alright, so that leaves me with the middle. And I've got some purple I haven't pulled out today somewhere. I might be inside. Okay, well, I'll just use what I'm going to use. And maybe a much smaller swipe card will work for me better. And I have a whole selection of them. Maybe just this little one. Let's hope that something opens. At least it doesn't take much. And I'm still going to use, that's not the black enamel, but that is right across. So I like that. And I think what I'm going to do is make sure that I put some of that black enamel right along. Probably didn't need it on that last piece. What I really want to see is some turquoise. Something tells me I shouldn't be placing them equidistantly though. Oh well, we'll live and learn. Hopefully I can rescue whatever I want. I really want that pink. And I think it's sitting... Oh, wait, is that it? No. Is that it? Yes, that's it. Alright. So I'm just going to give myself some of that. I'm wishing it wasn't necessary to add it where I see cells everywhere. See if I can keep it at the same level. Alright, so I'm going to use the black enamel from the center. Go back and forth. And I'm actually not minding what's happening at all. Even though I'm not cleaning my card off, I'm getting patterns I really like as far as colors go. And I wanted to switch up using the enamels from different sides. I think I'm almost ready. I want something to come out just once. I know, people keep telling me to use nails. I don't like doing that because wasting paint sucks. I have wanted to use red in one of these for quite a while now. Oh, please. Stop doing that. There's obviously a little filament in there. So I think I'm going to give myself permission to be weird. The phone has not stopped ringing all day today. Grab my black enamel. Take some bottles out of my way so I can pull in both directions. A little elbow room never hurt anybody. Press the card down if it seems like I don't have enough paint. It is a well-dried canvas from a few days ago, but I'm liking what I'm getting a lot. And any paint I might happen to have left over will go right over the edge. Not that it's consistent. So I want to tell you guys before I'm done, I do sell my artwork. If you'd like to inquire, my email address is on the link tree, the first blue link under the video, along with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is if you want to see what the Shop Now button will take you to, which is my fineartamericanpixels.com, which incidentally is also on that same link tree. I have Teespring clothing underneath the video, as long as you're on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Priscilla Batzell. And if you're not, you're on Phoenix Rising. And if you haven't visited Phoenix Rising yet, you should know that there are no commercials over there right now. And there were some great videos to begin with. I'm happy with this. I really, really am. I don't know about the end. Kind of want to put some gold in there and swipe it down. Yeah, I am. Because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. If you shop there and know at a cost to you, it helps me out. I'm going to try my best to just integrate that like I have done some recent pieces by dragging the swipe card back and forth. Two lizards just ran by me. I would normally expect to get cells, but for some reason I don't seem to be getting the same kind of cells I was. I don't want to annihilate all my pretty colors. I just want to change up and make the pattern a lot more organic. So I think I'm kind of getting what I want. There's nothing geometric or concentric, or that's the wrong word. But it had it unbalanced. It was uneven from side to side. And so I'm really happy that I'm camouflaging that. And what I really think I want to do, because I'm noticing that I've got some flat lines down here and some missing lines, is just add a few things. I can leave my paint heavy if I want to, because I use GAC 800 by Golden and I add it into all of my mixtures, and it's meant to be something that prevents cracking. And I'm really curious to just take my skewer and pull through all those dots. This is just a really, it's similar to stripes. I mean, it's very stripy. I'll be putting it in that playlist, which reminds me that I have a playlist. It says there are a lot of stripes. Yeah, I like that. Let's see if I can do it something similar. I didn't really want it to look awful lot like the last one anyway. But I do like the idea of changing it up so it has some similarities. And I'm almost done. So I told you I sell my artwork. I also answer questions if you have some. I have 2 books. The first one I mentioned is Because I Can. The second one is also on the Amazon link right next to it, and it is called Unlimited Possibilities. I love you guys. There's 86,600 and some odd of you subscribed. YouTube is only handing out like 15% of notifications, so if you're interested in watching my videos and helping my channel survive, the best possible thing you can do is check the community board or Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. I'm going all the way across. Because I have that paint, and because I can, and I like to change things up. I like the texture of the difference of the change that the changes make. It probably looks like another native Aboriginal type scene, but it's all me, and that's cool. The only thing that I'm seeing is that I want some of my favorite purple flash that I just found out they're not selling, darn, on the Hobby Lobby online site that I looked at. So I don't want to really put it in the same place exactly. And I will be dragging the skewer through. I love you guys. Please share my videos if you're of a mind to help me out. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for all the contributions that have helped me keep painting all this time. If you'd like to continue that tradition of keeping me here by helping me pay for art supplies, look for the exhibition video on the end screen to see what the monthly prizes are. For whoever's name I draw, the 3rd week in any given month. If I had some of that extra, I would put it right there. So I'll be done with this in a second. And I know there's a crib sheet. I know there is. There it is. What did I forget? Oh, I have Teespring clothing underneath the video. And the link tree also will lead you to the shop. There's a shop on the community board, which is another good place to look for tomorrow's videos, as well as Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, which is a great group on Facebook for students. I'm just using all my favorite colors, and it makes me want the blue. Makes me want my favorite blue. This is a nice new series of long canvases. There's quite a few 10 by 20s that are brand new, and I see there's one more or two more places. And the purple flash will be iridescent and color changing tomorrow, so maybe I don't need that blue. I've got that white over there, which is okay with me. I could put more white in there, or I could put more orange in there. I could do whatever I want, basically. Because I can. You guys will be gone soonish. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, saying I don't know what I forgot. But I'd appreciate that thumbs up if you don't remember. It really helps. Your comments are great, by the way, in case I didn't mention that. I love your comments. You keep my morale boosted very nicely. You're very kind, too. Alright, that is a Deco Art 24 karat gold that I'm about to order from Hobby Lobby because I'm running right out with some orange added into it. And there is a sale now, depending on how quickly I've got stuff in my way. Go figure. No matter, depending on how quickly you get to the Hobby Lobby site, I don't know if that sale will still be going on, but it's usually $10. And right now it's like $6.99. And I really can't do without it. That, and I love the folk art. Yeah, I am. I'm just traveling across, picking up anything. I think that'll work for me just fine. I want to diffuse that white a little bit in a few places. I still want to put the blue in, but I think I'm going to try and control myself. So it is what it is for now, until I decide to do something else to it, I guess. And I love you guys. There's 86,600 and change of you, and this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio, probably repeating herself, saying I will see you guys anon. Check my playlists, all creative playlists for genres, and by the hundreds. There's 1,360 plus videos there, and enjoy yourselves. Binge watch if you feel like it. And I hope to see you again tomorrow. I post every day, and you know where to find the videos. They're on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group and on the community board on YouTube. Bye for now. Priscilla out.